The District Horticulture Office in West Jaintia Hills District, Jowai, yesterday organized a horticulture exhibition at Marian Hill Football Ground under the MIDH scheme. Jowai MLA Wailat Miki Shilla attended the program as the chief guest. In his address, Shilla urged the farmers to focus on a specific activity that suited their skills and could contribute to expanding their agricultural production. The objective of the exhibition was to promote farmers in their respective fields, encourage the exchange of ideas among farmers, and foster a sense of competition. The exhibition showcased various crops grown in the region.
Wow, ya pi tu em ni hini ujit pi ya kata ka bentai kata ka kawan I thao I yong pi iwa ya to uthung nei ba sia tho pi em la ka jong I thao mye pi uthung hai jo I thao wa ro jat ki jing thung mye pi ri wa ro jat jing ri hai jo I thao nei ba em kam pi up ka mon jat ke climate ka mon jat ke khandau ni ki nutrient go em ki ka sbo go em kam pi bon jat ni ti dau em kam utho pania nei ti dau nei yang yong sarkar I pellut I bo I ya kini ki department you fair ya horticulture.
Youth Affairs and Sports